In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Peacock login problem in 2026. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet and try restarting your router or switching networks. You can also verify your credentials, so double check your email and password. Passwords are case sensitive. Just use forgot password if you need to change your password. If that is not the case and you're using a browser, you can simply go ahead and clear the browser cache and cookies and also try restarting the browser. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update the Peacock application to the latest version, or even check the server status by going to Downdetector. If you use any kind of VPNs or proxies that will simply go ahead and block the login, simply turn those off and make sure that your date and time settings is set to automatic. If none of it works, you might need to simply go ahead and sign out of all devices, check your subscription, or try reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.